guys, the tallest sea cliffs on Earth.
Got the video ready, Gary?
Yeah, videoing right now.
There we go, left side, left side.
Left window. Wow.
Wow. Woo! It's like the Nepali coast. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Absolutely amazing. I'm in tears.
Oh, isn't that beautiful down there?
Now there's going to be some great wave shots coming up. These waves sometimes are 50 feet high. Anna Bravo setting up left base for runway 23. So we'll just do a left base entry.
Oh, where's the airport?
Right by the lighthouse.
Oh, okay.
Oh, cool.
Oh, better.
Yeah.
Here, Gary. Sorry.
Okay, I got it.
You got flaps in. And you're ready for full flaps whenever you want.
Handing over.
Your airplane.
Okay, speed 97.
Yeah, you're fine on the speed and full flaps whenever you're ready. And 3 clicks forward on your trim.
1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Anna Bravo setting up left base 23 full stop.
And we're looking for an approach speed of
85, sir.
85, so we'll stick to 85. So it's the same as the 20.
Yep.
The waves.
Yeah. Don't get salt water on my plane.
Oh my gosh. Two-three approach.
Anna Bravo short final 23.
Now we're full stop here,
Oh
aren't we?
my goodness.
Are we full stop?
Yes, sir. Alright, time this right. Just a touch of power, just a touch. There you go, right there. Oh, wow.
Landing.
79.
That's insanely gorgeous. Alright, and power off. Beautiful. Flaps are coming up. Pull the stick back and I'll do the brakes.
Okay, you got the brakes, so I got the stick.
Welcome to Kalaupapa, Molokai.
I'm off the brakes. I'm off the brakes.